Welcome back. It's Crypto Big Boss. And I want to talk to you guys about XRP. And I'm not going to pretend, guys, I was one of those guys that really loved XRP. And then when this whole SEC thing happened and the lawsuit, and they got accused of being, quote, a security, and the litigation came down, I was one of the people that ran for the hills. Because there's other cryptos, they're in the same business, trying to do cross-border payments. And I just felt like this is going to be too much, too late, and it's going to be bad. And you know what? I was wrong. XRP is something to deal with. And when you really look at the performance of XRP, currently sitting at 59 cents, and you consider everything that happened in 2021, all the litigation, all the crap that Going House had to go through, everything that was said, I thought they were going to be knocked out of the top 10. Here they are, still ranked number 7 in 2022, sitting, even though they got ripped out of all these different dexes. It's proof that there's a global economy and that there is a demand for this crypto. Okay. And now it appears that some headway and the end is in sight with regards to the litigation going on with XRP. And a lot of people that held on to it, they might make a whole lot of money. Okay. I want y'all to take a look at this article here. SEC wins time to resist crucial document handover to Ripple in the XRP lawsuit. I just want to go down to this fast facts here and basically expound upon what they're saying here. They're saying that Ripple and XRP investors initially believed they had won the legal skirmish after U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn on January the 13th, 2022, ordered the SEC to turn over the documents, including notes of private SEC meetings with third parties over Ethereum and the draft of a controversial 2018 speech by then SEC Director William Hinman that declared Bitcoin and Ether were not securities. Okay? Then they come down here and say the SEC pushed back by asking for more time, and Netburn is now giving the commission nearly 4 weeks to do so. So this is a big deal. Why is this a big deal? Because everybody thought this was all over, and now I guess the judge is going to give them 4 more weeks. So we're just going to hold on to this 4 weeks for a second. If we look at this as 4 weeks from, say, when this article was written, which was about 3 days ago. So let's just call this, today's the 27th. Call it the 24th, okay? So maybe by 24 February, we might, right as we roll into spring, we could be getting clarity as to what is about to happen with SEC, with this whole case with XRP. So it says, of course, they do a recap here. The SEC and Ripple Labs and 2 top company executives in December 2020 alleging that its sale of XRP was unregistered securities offering worth over $1.38 billion. And then the last thing, in its defense, the San Francisco-based payments technology company is arguing that the SEC did not provide a fair notice and that it would treat the XRP token differently than Bitcoin and Ether. So this is basically, you're seeing both sides of the argument. And if, or I don't know, should I say when, if the XRP comes out of this thing with their nose clean, in addition to coming out clean and not having a bad year in 2021, despite the litigation, look at what else they're doing. Okay, look at this. Ripple buys back 200 million worth of shares set to go public at the end of the lawsuit. So that's why I wanted you to hang on to the 4 weeks. Let's say we roll into March. They are buying back their Series C shares. They're getting ready to go public. And the analysts are predicting that Ripple's price could go to $2.31. So in other words, what's that? 5 times on your money. Okay, almost. Just under. It's sitting at 59 cents. If we're talking, call it 50 cents. 5 times 5, 25, $2.50. We're looking at 4.5 times on your money, and it literally could happen overnight. So I'm thinking the fact that Ripple is strengthening its balance sheet, buying back its shares, they're very confident that some real serious price uptake is fixing to happen. And to add insult to injury, they've stayed busy. Take a look at this. Okay, this is one of the things that I'm always stressing about blockchain technology. If you want to know whether a crypto is viable and worth buying, okay, look at how they're using the blockchain to solve real world problems. We already know XRP is a cross-border payment system that is supposed to have a very fast transaction speed. But look at the improvements they are now making in their ledger. Look at this. Scalable, sustainable blockchain. And look at what the developers are doing. Public and decentralized, streamlined development, high performance, low cost. And I want to stress this. Look, they are doing things that make it easy for other developers to come along and start utilizing their infrastructure to develop their own applications. That spells adoption. Adoption. So despite all the rocks being thrown at XRP, despite the litigation, despite all the naysayers, despite all the people like myself who lost confidence, these folks kept working. And it could pay off big. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this out there for all the XRP lovers out there, the folks that were sitting on the fence, the folks that ran like me, the folks sitting on the fence. I'm going to go ahead and put this out there. If the SEC officially wins and come March, April timeframe, this whole thing is over, I'm going to go ahead and put it out that I believe that XRP could go up 5 times where it is today. And I'm going to just go ahead and say not $2.50. I'm going to say it's going to go all the way up to $3. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.